A few moments later.
What's up, y'all? It's Queen Monique's World, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to get rid of newborn hiccups. So, 1, you have to have a bottle ready. 2, make sure the diaper is changed. 3, you would pat their back for a little bit, and then after that, you will give them the bottle. Make sure it's warm if you're giving them warm bottles, and if it's cold, make sure it's already ready. So with them having hiccups, of course it's gonna start hurting a little bit when they're having them, like when they get like really bad into them. So with this being said, milk helps them wash the hiccups down. So with my daughter Elijah, I pat her back a little bit, and then I give her bottle, and she drinks the rest of the hiccups down. So that really helps her keep them under control, because she can't really do it by herself right now, so I have to help her. So that's one way to get rid of hiccups. Thanks for watching.
Nigga think that I'm broke until I pop out with $1 million. And take 20K and put that on your head and make one of your